Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Quest. First, you'll explore Tumblecube Island, a blocky world where you'll find ingredients and encounter wild Pokémon. Your main goal is to attract new Pokémon to your base camp by cooking special dishes. Each dish requires specific ingredients and cooking time. Once you have a team of 3 Pokémon, you can send them on expeditions to battle and collect more resources. It's a fun and engaging adventure for all trainers. Cooking is central to expanding your Pokémon team. You'll use ingredients like tiny mushrooms and apricorns to prepare various recipes in your cooking pot. For example, a mulligan stew might attract normal-type Pokémon, while a sludge soup could bring in poison types. Experiment with different combinations to discover new recipes. Upgrading your cooking pots like the silver or gold pot reduces cooking time and increases the chances of attracting rarer, higher-level Pokémon. Expeditions are where your Pokémon battle wild foes. You'll choose a team of 3 Pokémon, each with unique moves. While your Pokémon automatically engage in combat, you strategically activate their special moves. These moves have cooldowns, so timing is crucial. Equip Power Stones like Attack Stones and Health Stones to boost your Pokémon's attack power and hit points. You can also find move stones to modify abilities, such as increasing range or adding a multi-hit effect. To make your team stronger, focus on powering up your Pokémon. They gain experience points from successful expeditions, leading to level-ups and increased stats. You can also train them by sacrificing other Pokémon, which grants a significant experience boost. Remember to attach Power Stones to your Pokémon. Each Pokémon has a grid with up to 9 slots. Properly arranging these stones can dramatically improve their combat effectiveness and survivability in challenging expeditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.